Hey guys, it's Mindcline45, and today I'm going to be doing a cold start of my Focus. A lot of people do cold starts just to show you guys how well it'll start in the cold. And today it is really cold. I'm pulling out my weather app. -2 degrees Fahrenheit. And the wind chill is -28. School got canceled for today. So anyways, this car, last time it's been driven was yesterday after school, coming home. It did get up to temperature, but it did have obviously enough time to cool back down because it's been sitting here for 16 hours. It's the inline 4-cylinder ZX engine, the better one. It's my ZX5. Let's see how well this works. The keys. Door locks still work. This window yesterday wouldn't even roll down. It is really cold. Really cold. I'll turn on my lights so you can see the gauges. Now, I'm not going to be pressing anything. I'm going to let the fuel pump prime the lines first for a little bit, since it's colder. Turn my vent off, I don't need it. Let's see what happens. I could tell it didn't like that. But hey, it started. And the revs aren't going all over the place, so yeah, I just need to, since I'm probably not going anywhere today, it's good to start it and let it run for a little while. Definitely cold. My nostrils are freezing. But yeah, gave me a little bit of a hassle, but oh well. The battery is from 2005. At least that's what the copyright number says on it, or yeah, copyright date says on it, and the amperage is 500 cold cranking amps. I doubt it has that much anymore, but that's what the dealership says it's been testing, so I guess it does. But yeah, for right now, that's the cold start of my ZX5. Didn't really like it all that much, but let it idle for a few minutes just to let it idle. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you later.